Welcome to the McGrath video laryngoscopy simulation. Take a look around to get familiar with your surrounding and press any button of your controllers to start the simulation. Please press any button of your controllers to start the simulation. Note the control buttons by the table. Touch the buttons to adjust the table's height according to your preference. Now locate the McGrath handle on the table on your left side. Use your controller's trigger button to pick up the handle. You may let go off the handle and then you can pick it up again with your left hand. You will see that it stays floating in the air and shall not fall. Select the patient on the screen at your up left side. Look to your left and pick up the McGrath handle. Turn on the McGrath by touching the black button on the left side of the handle. Slide the blade over the camera stick until it is fully seated. Select appropriate ET tube.
When should I use hyperangulated blade?
Thank you for the great question. Hyperangulated blades have been shown to be useful in specific situations. The literature and the Cochrane Review, published in 2022, has, for example, demonstrated that hyperangulated designs are likely favorable in terms of reducing the rate of esophageal intubation and result in improved rates of successful intubation in individuals presenting with difficult airway features.